Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. And as many of you know, I do like my American padlocks, and we also have here an American lock mortise, which is the first one I had come across. So a couple of very nice locks, reasonable bitting on the mortise here, 5 pins, very low number 2. Should make it a bit awkward. And the 1100, all fairly standard, works nicely. 5 pins, not bad bitting again. So if we can see it here, if we get the light on there, but the warding on this does make it a little bit tricky. So we're having to pick off the ledge on the left, and we've got that very low pin at number 2, but these didn't quite work out as planned, so let's see if we can get this done quickly, and then we'll have a look and see if we can see why. So we'll start with the mortise. You can actually see that warding a little bit better there. So there it is, and the bitting again. So get the tension wrench in, pin it to the back because of that very low number 2. Want to avoid oversetting that. And start on pin 5. Right, little click out of 5, I'll click out of 4, click out of 3, got a little click out of 1, just touch 3, and we're open. So that's that one. We'll stick that at the back there, and the 1100. So there we go, there's the bitting again on that one, all working and locked up. So let's try this. I'm going to go to the back again on this one. 5 pins again. So 5. Click on 5. Click on 4, and we've got a full set. 3, counter rotation, and a click. And we're open. So let's get those down there. Get the pinning tray in, and let's start with the mortise cylinder. Still open. So both locks didn't have to pick all the pins. Didn't touch 2 on this one. And it didn't feel like there were any security pins in here, which, after experiencing all their padlocks, I thought was a bit disappointing, but we'll see what is in here. So standard, 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 and a standard, and we've actually got 6 pin core, but it's only pinned for 5, which is not an unusual American lock thing. And we have a standard, a standard, a standard, and a standard, and a standard. So everything completely standard. That's a little bit disappointing for an American lock, but not what I was expecting. So let's have a quick butcher's on here and see what we have. That's all out of there. No anti-bypass wafer. Get the clip round to there. And spin this around that away. There's my pick. There we go. So tail piece in the right position. Let's grab a follower. Right, we lost a pin for some reason. Me rushing. Looks like number 1 key pin is serrated. Sorry, driver pin. Then we've got a serrated key pin, serrated key pin. And that's all those. Yeah, for some reason we dropped number 1, caught the spring. Don't know why. 2 is serrated. 3 should be a spool from the way it picked, which it is. Serrated. And a spool. So all fairly standard for a padlock. So let's just have a quick look at this, number 2. Number 2. So it did actually need picking according to that. If we can get this to focus, as we can see, but maybe just the fact of putting the pick up the back was enough to pick that one. Everything else needed picking, but not by much. And 1 and 2, wrong way round. Well, that makes an awful lot of difference. As we can see, the only thing we had to make sure we didn't do was touch 1 or 2 at all. So anyway, quite a nice couple of locks. I think I shall be beefing them up a bit. But there we go, as we say, standard pins, 2 locks, the mortise and a padlock. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.